What kind of communication skills make the biggest difference while you're at uni?
What does
communication mean to you?
The first question I have here is, what does communication mean to you? It's a really huge subject.
To me, communication is absolutely everything.
It's a way of giving and sharing so that it can lead to a mutual understanding.
But it's also bidirectional, so in addition to just letting other people know what I've done, it's also about finding out about what's going on, finding out about what people need, and it's about interaction.
Communication to me is just the ability to get concepts and ideas across to someone else.
In terms of whether that's written communication or verbal communication, you always have a message to convey.
At the university, it's typically for students to be able to use the jargon, right, to communicate back to people who have taught them.
There's a lot of things that support good communication styles, like values like integrity, honesty, obviously.
I guess now that I've grown up a little bit, communication's all about interacting with other people who are from different places and have different ideas as well.
To be a good communicator, you need to be a really good listener. If you're not a good listener, it's really difficult also to comprehend what is being asked of you.
The more subtle element of communication is tone of voice, the forum that you use.
Words and body language. And if you're writing, it's done with exclamation marks, question marks, emoticons, all trying to communicate the intent of one person to another.
Communication skills is very underplayed in university settings. It takes us through our whole lives and including into employment and further study.
As an international student, I think that the chit-chatting skill is the most important part of the communication skill in the uni. Especially for the first semester, I think it's quite challenging. And I think the really good chit-chat will actually even make your day.